Here's how to update apps on your iPhone. Now, first just head into the App Store, and if you're not getting the latest version of an app or you want the latest features or security, you can always update those apps. There are two different ways to be able to do it. If there's a specific app, you can tap on search and you can search for an app like Facebook to see if there's an update. You can see here next to Facebook, it says open. If it says open, there's no update available, but if it says update, you can just tap on that. Now, let's say instead of that, we want to go through and find every app that there is available to update. Just tap on your profile button at the very top, right? And from here, we're going to swipe down. You can see it will refresh and essentially look to see across all of the apps on your iPhone if there's an update available. You'll be able to see them by scrolling down. And you can see here it says either update all or update individually. Let's show what Netflix looks like. So I can tap on update here and you'll be able to see the Netflix app will go gray and there'll be a little logo here. I can tap on it to pause it and then tap on it again to initiate it. Now, if you're wondering, is it fully updated? You can just go into the App Store here and you can see if I tap on Netflix again, instead of update, now it shows open, indicating it is fully updated. I can always go back here and tap on update all to update all of the apps across my entire iPhone.